Assalamu Alaikum, my dear viewers. Welcome back to my YouTube channel, FaithInspireHub. As we approach the transition to a new year, it's an opportune time for us as Muslims to reflect on the past, express gratitude, and set meaningful intentions for the future. As we stand on the threshold of a new year, it's important for us to look back and reflect on the journey we undertaken over the past 12 months. This reflection serves not only as a personal exercise but also an essential aspect of our faith in Islam. My dear brothers and sisters, in this video we made a little resolution list for our new year as Muslims. My dear brothers and sisters, begin this new year by expressing gratitude for each of the things that have come into your life this year. Make a list of good things, good times, wins, and happy occasions. My dear viewers, in Islam, expressing gratitude, doing shukr, is not only encouraged but considered as an act of worship. Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala says in Quran, "If you are grateful, I will surely increase your favor. But if you deny, indeed my punishment is severe." Think back on the things you learned from difficulties, from ups and downs, and consider that hardship are opportunities for your growth as a person, as a Muslim. My dear brothers and sisters, analyze your development, your spiritual development. Have your act of worship, supplications, and prayers been consistent? Think back to the times when you experienced a sense of spiritual connection and consider how you could further develop that bond in the upcoming year. Make a use of this contemplation as a basis for establishing your spiritual objective for the coming year. Think about the relationship you have in your life, with your family and the larger community. My dear brothers and sisters, Islam highlights the value of having solid and constructive relationship with other people. Think back on the ways you have improved the life of other people around you and consider how you may make these relationships even more stronger in the future year, and how you be thankful and have gratitude in your actions. My brothers and sisters, be thankful and have gratitude in your actions, because expressing gratitude is a fundamental Islamic value. Take your time. Take time to thank Allah for the good moment, for goodness you get in this year, and seek forgiveness for any shortcoming. Remember that every breath we take is a gift from Allah. And acknowledging this blessing strengthens our connection with the Creator. In Islam, the virtue of gratitude, the virtue of shukr, hold significant importance. Gratitude is not only a state of mind, but a way of life that aligns with the teaching of Quran and the example set by our beloved Prophet, peace be upon him. My dear brothers and sisters, set your attentions for your new year, a positive intentions. Let's now talk about making good plans for approaching year. The idea of niyyah or attentions is the central of all the actions in Islam. The Prophet, peace be upon him, emphasized that actions are judged by intentions. A sincere and righteous intentions turn ordinary actions into act of worship. Enriching one's spiritual life, think about your objective, both personal and spiritual, and make sure they line up with Islamic principles. Let Islamic principles direct your aim, whether they are improve your character, deepen your relationship with Allah, or make a constructive impact on society. My dear viewers, reflect on your personal goals for coming years. These goals can span various aspects of your life, such as spiritual growth, personal development, family, your career, and community service. Emphasize the importance of setting realistic goals about your life. Seek His support and blessing in achieving your goals. By setting positive intentions rooted in Islamic values, Muslims can navigate the new year with a clear sense of purpose and align their aspirations with the divine guidance provided in the Quran and the teaching of Prophet, peace be upon him. My dear viewers, time is seen as a priceless asset in Islam. The Quran serves as a reminder that time is short. So make the most of the new year by taking stock of your actions and making an intentional choices to spend it doing good deeds that will both please Allah and benefit others. It's so important, my dear viewers, to avoiding un-Islamic celebrations. While some may celebrate the new year with joy and other things, but it's essential for Muslims to be mindful of engaging in activities that go against Islamic principles. Avoiding excessive partying, harmful behaviors, and extra spending is in line with the teaching of Islam. So, my dear brothers and sisters, as we come to the end of this year, let's keep in the mind that every moment presents a chance for development and progress as we start new year. May we have pure intentions, act with faith, and have thankfulness in our hearts. My dear viewers, I appreciate you coming to my channel, and I pray that Allah grants you a full of happiness and success and spiritual fulfillment this year. See you next time. Allah Hafiz.